Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through my personal nighttime routine. I start with my cleanser, which is the Mint Pear Clarifying Daily Cleanser with Activated Charcoal, and I will apply this to my Foreo Luna 2. These products work very well together to clean off any makeup, any residue from the day, to really clean my pores and give me that fresh, clean feeling at the end of the day. You always want to go in upward motions and never drag or pull down on the face, and you want to go horizontal across the forehead to help prevent any lines or premature aging. And also, if you do take this down onto the neck, make sure that you also go in an upward motion, never pulling down or dragging the skin. I finish with a warm towel press. This helps to clean out the pores and remove any residual makeup. And the third step is to exfoliate. Today I'm using the Pumpkin Enzyme Exfoliating Mask, also applied to my Foreo. This is a physical and a chemical peel. It has BHAs and AHAs to help to really remove that top layer of dead skin, to go in and help to improve the process of the cell turnover so I can get that old dead layer of skin removed to reveal that beautiful, fresh, youthful skin below. And you can use this product 3 to 4 times a week. Now I just wait for the chemical part for about 5 minutes. And again, I remove the exfoliator with a warm towel press to make sure that I don't have any product left. And now I will follow with a toner. I prefer the Witch Hazel by Thayer's, and I just use a cotton round to apply this product. What this does is it will return my skin to the proper pH levels and help close pores. And this is the See Your Youth Serum that I prefer to use in the PM because it is better to use this when you're not going into the sun. So I use it at night, and I use about a pea-size amount over my entire face and neck. I like to apply this by patting rather than dragging or pulling. I just smooth this across my face in light patting motions. On top of my first serum, I like to go over with the Rose Hip Night Serum, and this is a wonderful combination to help reduce any sunspots or aging or even acne. And I will just use a full dropper of this on my skin, and again I will pat this onto my skin rather than rubbing so that it doesn't take off my first serum that I've just applied. I will just pat this right over that See Your Youth Serum. And on top of both serums, I'm now going to use the Rose Quartz Roller by Mint Pear. And this will help to really relax the skin and help to press those serums into my skin to make sure that I'm getting that optimal absorption of the serums. You can see there are two ends. The larger side is obviously for the large part of the face, where I am using the technique to roll upwards and back. This will help to lift the skin as well as the absorption of the product. And you can actually feel the stone warming up on your face, because when you begin, it's a cold rose quartz, so it's really cool to see that it's working really well. As it gets warm, it presses that product into your pores. And again, horizontal and vertical on the forehead to help lift and reduce those lines. And the smaller portion is for under the eye and the crow's feet. Very light motions, again, upwards and outwards. This is the best relaxation, and it really gets you prepared for a wonderful night's rest. And then I use the Mint Pear Eye Cream with my ring finger, which has the least amount of pressure, so don't use your pointer finger or your middle finger. Your ring finger is the best finger to apply eye product, with light, gentle patting motions. Never dragging down, never pulling on that area, just light patting upwards and backwards. And you can also spread this product over the eye and through your 11s and your crow's feet. And now it's time for some beauty rest. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like the video, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified for more videos like this. Have a beautiful night's rest, and I'll see you soon.